In today's video, I'm going to teach you how bulk deleting messages in Slack works, and what the limitations are along the way. Understanding how message deletion functions in Slack is essential, whether you're clearing old conversations, managing workspace data, or tidying up after a project. Let's dive in and explore what you can do in this context and some of the boundaries you'll encounter. First off, let's talk about individual message deletion. If you've sent a message you'd like to remove, there's a straightforward route to do so. On your desktop, you can hover over the specific message, while on mobile devices, a long press will do the trick. This action brings up the option to delete the message. Do keep in mind, though, this is a one message at a time process. For those on paid plans, there's a helpful avenue available if you're a workspace owner or admin. You have the power to set data retention policies which automatically clean up older messages after a set period. This is a fantastic hands-off method to ensure unnecessary data doesn't clutter up your channels. Additionally, another somewhat drastic but effective method involves deleting an entire channel. Admins and owners can perform this, and it results in the removal of all messages within that channel. Use this option wisely, as it cannot be undone. While these methods give some room to breathe, it's also important to recognize the limitations Slack imposes. Typically, the platform doesn't support regular members in their quest to bulk delete messages through the user interface. What this means is that if you're eyeing a mass message removal task, your only built-in option is to go through and delete each one individually, unless, of course, you're removing an entire channel. For those seeking alternative solutions, third-party tools might appear on the radar. These applications often promise bulk deletion features by using filters based on date range, keywords, or specific channels. However, it's crucial to be cautious, as using such tools might breach Slack's terms of service, and you could encounter API rate limitations. The course of action you can take varies based on your role or plan within Slack. If you're a workspace owner or admin looking to streamline your workspace, archiving or completely deleting outdated channels could be beneficial. Setting up data retention policies is another proactive approach, allowing messages to be automatically removed beyond a certain age. For technically savvy admins, Slack offers an API method, admin.conversations. Bulk delete, which can be utilized, but bear in mind the scope and plan restrictions that might apply. Lastly, for regular members, your options are more limited. While third-party applications like Redact might help with extensive deletion tasks, remember these come with risks, so proceed with caution. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at removing messages within Slack, along with the best practices and precautions to consider. Whether your goal is a one-time cleanup or an ongoing tidiness routine, understanding these elements can help streamline your Slack experience.